When your space is clean and organized, energy flows more freely. I always like to say clutter clogs cash flow. So when your space is clean and organized, you open the door to abundance. If you are not sure where to start with cleaning your space, you can call upon Archangel Uriel. He has his torch to light the way to show you answers. You can also call upon Archangel Jophiel, known as the Feng Shui Angel or the Angel of Beauty. That may include asking for guidance about having help to clean and organize your space. You may also choose to do a sage ceremony. You burn sage through your house. It's best to do the entire space. If you do only one room, then that energy will just shift over to another portion of your apartment or your house. When you do clear out that energy, you're clearing out the stale and you're inviting again fresh new energy to come into your space.